If you're in the business of car repair and service, you're no doubt aware of the trend in motor oil technology moving towards thinner oils to improve fuel efficiency and also to lubricate so-called downsized turbocharged engines. In the drive to reduce emissions and optimize fuel efficiency, but still maintain the elevated engine power outputs which have become the norm, the era of downsizing and turbocharging direct injection gasoline power plants dawned. Through the use of turbocharger technology, it was possible for automotive manufacturers to develop high levels of engine power output with smaller capacity engines, reducing emissions and fuel consumption at the same time. However, through this development and the progression of turbocharged power plants, power densities increased, leading to the phenomena of LSPI, or low-speed pre-ignition. As the air is compressed in the turbocharger, it heats up, and even though most, if not all, modern engine applications employ intercoolers in their engine designs, the air temperatures are much higher than the atmospheric temperature levels when entering the cylinder. This leads to volatile behavior in the cylinders of the air and fuel mixture, causing uncontrolled and extreme firing events, leading to scarring of the cylinder walls or, in worst cases, catastrophic engine failure. To combat this volatility and possible engine failure, oil manufacturers had to develop additive packages with alternative components to help support the suppression of the LSPI phenomenon. In this case, it was the detergent which was identified to have the biggest impact, and moving away from the calcium-based detergents meant the occurrence of LSPI events greatly reduced. Newer motor oils with ILSAC GF-5 and GF-6 specifications, as well as engine manufacturers, are specifically addressing LSPI through specific tests and evaluation criteria, as we now see in the GM DEXOS1 Gen3 engine oil specification, for example. And remember, while it may be old school to use 5W30 across the board, it is important to use the correct spec oil recommended by the manufacturer to protect your engine and keep it running at its best. If you have a question regarding LSPI, ULV oils, or any Pentosin technical fluid, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.